So here I have two files, this one and this one. Those are two text files. And you can show the head, for example, that contains English sentences and MLS2. Okay, so it's two files that contains English. So this is MLS, so those kind of are weird, but it's alright. So those are sentences, and we can use the translate command that I've written that uses Facebook's model for translation. And the way that I've written it, it's so fast now. So if we look, it's 13 gigabytes for this file and 240 megabytes for this file. But I want to translate them into French for my language model for the scorer in for my model of STT. And so I'm translating it, as you can see. If I cut English to French text, I've started translating them, and so I can show you how fast is it right now. So I'm going to say, okay, translate this file, the current directory, this directory, and save the result to this file from English to French, every file that you found in this directory. And I'm using my 24 threads. And so you can see how fast it's gonna go. So here is loading the model. So it's taking a bit of time. It's alright. It's putting it on the GPU. I think now it's finished, and yeah, it's starting. It found the files. It found cache. So it means we already have. We are translating all those sentences, and it's taking this much memory on disk. Not on disk, in the memory buffer. And we have already translated this much sentences, and so right now we are like we took 2 seconds just to compute the rest, the sentences we have not translated, and right now we are translating them. So it's really fast, and yeah, right now it's a bit slow. It's gonna pick up speed, and we get like 6, 7, 9 sometimes sentences per second, which is pretty good, honestly. I was like at the first time I wrote this program, I was like at 1 sentence per second, and if it was a big sentence, it could take longer. So I'm pretty glad with this. So you can find this on GitHub under translator, and yeah, it's in the description. I think I'm gonna put it in the description. And right now we are at this version, and yeah, feel free to have a look and translate whatever you want.